Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You already have the essentials: account, camera, mic, and a stable connection. Now create the meeting. Open Teams, click Calendar, then New Meeting. Name the meeting clearly so attendees know the purpose, and add a short agenda in the description so people arrive prepared. Once done, pick a date and time, set recurrence if needed, and choose whether it's a channel meeting or private invite. Make sure to add required attendees first, then optional guests, so invites populate correctly. Now refine logistics and permissions so the meeting runs smoothly. Use the scheduling assistant to resolve conflicts and set the correct time zone when attendees are remote. Click Meeting Options to control who bypasses the lobby, who can present, and whether attendees can unmute. These choices prevent interruptions. Attach files or a shared OneDrive folder and include per-work links in the description. Once set, send the invite and confirm that calendar entries and Teams channels show the meeting link. On meeting day, join 5 to 10 minutes early to run a quick AV check and load materials. Admit people from the lobby as they arrive. Start recording only if necessary and announce it. Use live captions if helpful. During the meeting, assign someone to capture action items and save notes in Meeting Notes or OneNote. After you end the call, upload the recording and share a concise summary with action items and deadlines. Troubleshooting tip: if participants can't join,
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.